which statement is correct? If x square minus root 6x plus 1 equals to 0, then what is the value of x minus 1 by x? Here is some option. So first, x square minus root 6x plus 1 equals to 0. From here, we can write like x square plus 1 equals to, we can add both sides by root 6x. Now here we can take common x. It will be x plus 1 divided x, it means 1 by x, equals to root 6x. So both sides we can divide by x. So this one and this one out. X plus 1 by x equals to root 6. Okay, but our target to find out x minus 1 by x equals to what? So against this one, we can write like, so x minus 1 by x can be write like x minus 1 by x whole square and under square root. It means square root and square out, we will get x minus 1 by x. We know a theory which is a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So we will implement this one. Here is a and b. So first a plus b, it means x plus 1 by x whole square, and then minus 4ab, 4 times x times 1 by x, and everything under root. Now this x and x we can divide. X plus 1 by x, we already get the value which is root 6. So here will be root 6 and square minus 4 under square root. Root 6 square is a 6 minus 4 and then root. 6 minus 4 is a 2 under root. So our correct answer is root 2. Which one? This one is a number 1 is our correct answer. So we can say if x square minus root 6x plus 1 equals to 0, then x minus 1 by x equals to root 2. I hope you cleared this one. Thank you.